to fix camera and webcam problems in Windows 7, 8, 10, or 11. So if you want to fix your camera and webcam problems, then what you need to do is right-click on your Windows and go with Device Manager option. Under your Device Manager, you just need to simply go with, and here you will have Integrated Webcam under your Imagining Devices. So you just need to simply go with the Imagining Devices option if you have. And under that, you will have Webcam option. You just need to simply right-click on it and you need to install it or update that driver. And after that, you can go with Action and then go with Scan for Hardware Changes. And once you click on Scan for Hardware Changes, it will refresh and it will install it. After installing, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to go with Search, and under Search, you need to search for Services. Just go with Run as Administrator under your Services. Once you open up your services, now you need to scroll down and then you need to find the service, which is Windows Update. So go with Windows Update, double click on it. Here you need to go with the startup type and then select Disabled. And you need to go and stop the service. Once you've done it, now you just need to simply keep it in the background. And you need to open up your file manager. On your file manager, you need to go with this PC, your local disk C, and here you'll have the Windows option. Just simply open up your Windows folder. Under Windows, you'll have software distribution. So search for the software distribution folder. Here you will have two folders. You just need to simply select the data store and download these two folders. And after that, you need to hit the delete option. Once you've deleted, now you just need to simply go back to the services section, and here you need to right click on it, go with properties, and here you need to select the startup type as automatic, and after that you can start the service, go with apply and OK. That's it. Now you can just simply go back and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.